Let's now make our application feature complete by adding a button to clear up the entire list at once. And so to do that, let's come down here, and after the select, we're going to add a simple button. So not like that, but button clear list. So there it is. And now, as always, we need to add the onClick event handler, and then we need a function that basically deletes all of these elements here at once. Now I think that this might be a nice challenge for you. So creating that function that deletes everything and then passing that function down to this component and adding it here onto the button. So that shouldn't be all too hard. And so please go ahead and pause the video right now. So try this on your own really, as this is a really nice learning experience. And then I see you back here in a minute or 5 once you are finished with that task. Okay. So I will create a function close to all the other functions. So we have handle add items, delete, and toggle. And so we simply add just another one. So handle clear list, which doesn't need anything really. And then all we need to do here is to simply say set items back to the original value, which was of course this empty array. And that's it. So that's almost too simple, but now we just need to connect this function to the button. So that button is in the packing list, so that's where we pass this into a prop. So on clear list will be handle clear list. And so now let's get that. So this packing list really receives a lot of props. And so then here, the onClick prop, and here we don't even need to create a new function. All we have to do is to pass this one in. So on clear list. Give it a save, and that should be it. So clear list, and yes, everything is gone. Great. So I'm hoping that you did this as well. And now just one more thing here is that here in this demo app is that here we prevent the user from accidentally deleting everything. So here when they click on clear list, first we get if we want to delete all the items, and only then if we click on OK, everything will get deleted. So you see, now it is empty. So let's quickly do the same thing here, and that's pretty easy because that's just a standard DOM function. So that's a function that's not really part of JavaScript, but it's part of the web API. But anyway, here we can create some variable, let's say confirmed, and then that confirmed will be defined by window.confirm. So here we can then pass in any string. So that's going to be the message that the user will see. So are you sure you want to delete all items? And then when the user clicks on OK, confirmed will become true. And in the case they click cancel, then it will be false. And so now we can do this conditionally. So we just say if confirmed, then set items to the empty array. Just to make sure, let's reload and shorts and a charger. And now when I clear the list, then yes, we get the confirm and it works beautifully. Now, maybe you got a little bit annoyed at all the scrolling that we had to do here now lately, because our components were getting bigger and bigger. So whenever we wanted like to pass in something here, then we had to scroll all the way down here to then accept, for example, these props right here. And so that's why I said in the very beginning that in real world applications, we usually have one component per file. And so in the next lecture, I will show you a trick of how we can basically divide this one file into multiple files. So one file per component.